kuwo wonke ama-families esengwasizile ngamanzi amnyama kuba khona vele lowo mntwana ohluphekayo ongakutholi ukuphumula yabo aloba bamvezela izinto ukuthi ubani wenza lokho ubani wenza lokho because bazama ukuthi nabo benze njani bakhululeke kulento benze ukuthola ukuthi uma sibuka kunokhokho wakho owaye waphehla lamanzi amnyama uthola ukuthi noma singathi siyamhlambulula akahlambululeki and we must make peace with that eli lo mkhulu lo there's no hope for this one
hayibo
asimlahle. That is why ke kuhamba kuvuka omalume noma abantu abaphilayo nabo bangazi ukuthi baba neinhliziyo ezimbi bayithathephi leyo mfundiso because they were never taught that way. But kunolobudlozi lobubi lobuhamba buvuke la ekhaya yabo bukhona ukuthi ke uyakhona ukubugeza obunye. But I've encountered situations noma ihlandla lapho uthola ukuthi noma ungathi uyabugeza angeke buze buye ndawo lowo muntu uzomgeza today kusasa ubuyile uphethe lezi zinto yabona ngoba lezi zinto kufanele zidlulele phambili zisebenze. So what is the solution uma kunjalo? Lowo muntu siyamdingisa siyamsusa kulomndeni.